Motivation for me, like I think for most people, comes in waves. So there's certain times of day and there's certain days or even week-long periods where I feel extremely motivated, ready to get work done, ready to crush everything that comes my way. But then there's also times where I feel extremely bummed out or extremely tired and just want to lay in bed. So how do you get work done when you're losing motivation? The answer for me came from BJ Fogg. He's a psychologist at Stanford, and specifically this video from Ramit and BJ. I found this a couple of years ago and it influenced the way that I get all work done. In this video, Professor BJ Fogg talks about motivation, and he says that when you feel motivated, rather than going out and working, which is exactly what you want to do, you should instead create a system so that when you feel less motivated, you'll continue to work. What does that mean? Well, I'll tell you in two stories. One is the way that we hire people at Experiment 27. Me and Robert have both dealt with bad hires in the past, and I've talked about it in a lot of videos where you hire somebody and then they just don't work out. Sometimes you don't know they're not going to work out for a few months, and it's super annoying when you have to fire somebody, or you find out that they lost you a lot of money, like Eric Sue talked about in the bad hires video. So when I figured out we were getting a lot of bad hires, I could have used that motivation to one by one started hiring people, doing a lot of phone interviews and making offers. But instead we followed BJ Fogg's advice and we created a system around hiring. Now, when we hire somebody, we give them a test first that's paid for the first week or two, then a second test where they work with us for a little over a month with a reduced monthly payment before getting an offer letter and signing on as a member of our team. That system is what I created with the motivation rather than outreach or doing labor. Because once you have a good enough system, the labor does itself. I use a similar system for YouTube videos. I plan YouTube videos by sending myself emails throughout the week and then try to batch the content in a day or two before sending it off to Ruben to edit the video. That's the exact opposite of the system we had before, where I would film a video and release it that same day. If you watched videos on this channel from 2 or 3 years ago, you'll see there's a lot of content where I look extremely tired, extremely run down, have a beard, my hair's messed up, and that's because I was creating content every single day, which forced me to get into that mode of making videos every single day, and the quality of content suffered. So feeling motivated, the system became write the content throughout the week, batch filming on 1 or 2 days, then hire a video editor, Ruben's the one on our team right now, to edit the content to a form that's usable. I'll put a link to the BJ Fogg video down in the description. I recommend highly checking it out. If you found value in this video, be sure to share it with a friend or two. We're trying to hit 100,000 subs, and any shares would be much appreciated. Also, if you need marketing support for your digital agency, check out experiment27.com. Thanks.